Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term swooping. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, swooping is quickly taking or stealing something, often unexpectedly. People use it when someone grabs something fast, usually before others can get it. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Swooping first showed up in the early 2000s, especially among youth culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among teens and young adults. Now let's check out how to use swooping in a sentence. Correct example 1. She was swooping all the best deals during the Black Friday sale. Correct example 2. Did you see him swooping those concert tickets before anyone else? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said swooping at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using swooping right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Swooping means quickly taking or stealing something, often unexpectedly. It started in the early 2000s youth culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with swooping in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.